Ladies and gentlemen, the Austrian government has undertaken a lot of measures counterfighting this pandemic on the economical sides. First of all, it has been a direct liquid injection of money to companies and individuals. It passed the short-time working regulation with the salary compensation up to 90%. The government also postpones the tax payments of companies, and the government easing the credit release and postponement of the credit repayments. Those measures helped a lot to support the private sector. This is at the national level, but let us hear about the European level. With us, we do have Dr. Leitl. His Excellency Dr. Leitl is the president of EUROCHAMBRES and was long-lasting president of the Austrian Federal Chamber of Economy and a great supporter of the private sector. Dr. Leitl, I would like to ask you kindly to deliver your keynote speech, please.
Thank you, dear friends and colleagues, and Mr. Kuya. Yes, Corona should have connected the world, but an analysis shows it's dividing the world. We in Europe, in the first phase of this crisis, we fall back internationalism, closed borders, stopped moving of peoples and services. That was the wrong way, and European Union then made the opposite and coordinated a little bit, although European Union is not in charge for that issue. Healthcare is national issue, and that was the problem. And that's also the problem, I think, worldwide, because in Europe, we are making now a rescue and recovery program. You mentioned Austria, Mr. Kuya. It's not only Austria, it's fitting together also with a lot of actions on European level, with close to 2 billion euros. And European Central Bank will tomorrow make another step for liquidity to help in this situation as much as they can. That means Europe is standing strong. But what national countries want, it's up to the meeting of the European Council in 18th of June. And we will see, and I hope, as representative of 20 million companies with 140 million employees, that there will be a quick decision, a clear decision, and a decision not waiting till next year, but starting immediately. And we brought in our experience, our practical experience as European chambers, and it was adopted by European Commission. I think 80% of our suggestions are now in the suggestions of the Commission. Parliament is agreeing. Now only the national leaders, the European Council, have to adopt it. But anyway, Europe has problems, but not only Europe. What's going on in the United States? It's concerning me very, very much. I say it because United States, for all of us, are an important partner. But living in this situation, WHO making trade war efforts to other parts of the world, having internal conflicts not cooling down, but firing it up, I'm really concerned. That's not the behavior of our time. And China, we have to say that perhaps they made some mistakes in the beginning, but then they controlled the situation. But anyway, today they are using it to control the people, make a supervision like no other country is doing, and pushing the crisis around Hong Kong. And that's not what we need. We need confidence, we need stability, we need trust to each other, and we need international cooperation for Corona, but not only for Corona. There are some other questions, the international financial systems, international value chains, and therefore I'm very, very grateful that you as Austrian Arabic Chamber of Commerce are making this webinar. And I hope that the Arabic area is the missing link in this world of turbulences. You will bear great responsibility. The Arabic countries, Saudi Arabia, will have the B20, the Business 20, making their suggestions for the G20, the 20 biggest countries around the world, the great ones. But they have to act, not only to listen, not only to make wonderful words, they have to make concrete measures by coordination. They can't do it by themselves, but they can coordinate it. And what the world of today is needing is coordination. And I will raise my voice in this manner, and I hope that our Arabic friends are not only listening, but demanding it in the same way. Not polite words. Yes, we need polite words, but then we need hard measures. And so I hope that perhaps this Arabic countries in Saudi Arabia could make a clear suggestion that we have a worldwide cooperation in times of a worldwide crisis. Not to watch a crisis, not to comment it, but to coordinate our actions. And if that would be the outcome of the B20 and G20, I would be very, very happy as representative of a global chamber platform. Also Arabic countries are involved in that, and I'm representing 100 million companies with 1 billion people. That's a lot of responsibility, and therefore I demand in clear words cooperation. And Arabic countries always were in favor for cooperation, always were wise people, and I hope this wisdom will be in the results we have to have from the G20 summit. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best, and I'm now hoping that I can hear Mr. Hanafi better than I did Mr. Benninger, because I'm very, very interested how Mr. Hanafi is seeing the world of today. Thank you.